In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the DIOR filter on Instagram. First of all, open the app on your phone. Next up, go to this profile, Gracia, Maryland. Then next up, click on the filter icon in the middle, which is right there. Then next up, you want to scroll down until you actually find the DIOR Babe filter and then click on it. Then next up, you can take a look at the filter and then you can click on try it. And then as you can see right there, you can actually go ahead and get the DIOR filter on Instagram. So that's exactly how you can actually do this. Let me go back. If this works for you, make sure you leave a like. I would really appreciate that. And that would help others find this video as well on YouTube so that they can go ahead and use the DIOR filter themselves. So make sure you leave a like. I would appreciate that. And the people searching for it would appreciate that as well. So let's just help each other out. Now that's it for now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. I would appreciate that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy the filter. And yeah, good luck with it. Enjoy. Peace out.